Morning guys, in front of me is HUAWEI Nova 11 Ultra, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So at first open your phone the other, then go to keypad if you're not on this panel, and let's start with the first code, which is asterisk pound 2846 579 pound asterisk. And here you've got the project menu. So we have background settings here, venue information, network information query, software upgrade, factory reset, so you can perform also the factory reset here, and battery change, so you can scan this QR code with another device and you can check the data regarding your battery. So this is how you can reach project menu. Then to go back, just mark the back button, and now we will open about phone panel. To do it, you need to enter asterisk pound 0000 pound asterisk. And here we've got the access to about phone info, so all data like model, software version, email number, PRL version, and so on are included here. So that's it. Now I want to show you the calendar info. So if you wish to reach all data regarding your calendars, just enter asterisk pound 225 pound asterisk. And here you've got the calendar info, so all events, all upcoming celebrations will be displayed right here. Let me go back, and the last code that I want to show you is device info, so it's asterisk pound 06 pound, and as you can see here, you can smoothly read your email and serial number. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.